And that's really what it is.
Yep.
So now you have a non-contingency escrow. Basically, you're waiting for financing, which you got a verbal on, and you're waiting for the lease assignment, which you can pretty much quasi agree that you're going to get the lease assignment. You've read the clauses, you've looked at it, you make sure that the landlord cannot unreasonably withhold, delay, or condition it.
Right.
Now, I find that they like to condition it more than they're willing to delay or withhold. And so now it becomes, what's the conditioning? And then you have a very interesting fine line between what you can and can't condition.
Yep.
And it could be even construed and probably fought and probably won that the guy or the entity that's buying the laundry has to have a greater net worth than the guy who's selling it, because that would be financial. You're gonna nail them for not being as have as much money as them, and it doesn't mean they're not qualified. So you're gonna tip the scales in that area. So and then that's it. Then you've got an escrow, and hopefully it closes within 45 days. Your standard escrow is 30 to 45 days. The escrow officer has to publish a sale in a newspaper of general circulation for 12 business days. And it depends on what newspaper they register with to get that service done, whether or not they accept bulk transfer data on a Tuesday and not on a Thursday, and it's already Friday, and you have to wait till the following Thursday. So you add on that many days. And I thought you said it was 12. Yeah, well, they didn't accept the paperwork. So, but for the most part, once that's finished, you can pretty much close your escrow. And then during escrow, there are collection reports. People are worried whether or not guys go in there and salt their boxes. And what I like about the new hybrid and the new card stores is obviously you're going to get a report. You don't even need a collection.
Yeah.
You're going in there to figure out how they work within the laundry to collect the video games and collect all those other things and do the wash, dry, and fold and understand how all that goes together. Yeah. I think that's where a bulk of the time is going to be.